Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I got this in the mail. I am just very curious. And this one is a winner unboxing. This company has sent me this. Maybe because they know that from time to time I do shipping, I do Etsy shipping, Poshmark shipping, Macari shipping, and those things. So I do not know, but maybe my shipping video they have seen. So they sent me this, and this one is SP420 direct thermal label printer. So the brand letting things better, faster, and Vidal. Thermal label printer. Let's open it up. It's quite a solid box. Okay, we open it up. There is some instruction and help menu. Who on earth still use this CD? I don't think I will ever use it. Use it. We will see. Okay, what else do we have? We have a shipping label and oh, that's good. That is a piece of non-sticky protection. Take it out. Yeah, it's good. So you see, if without this non-sticky, they will scratch a little bit. But with the protection, there is. Oh, it's very light. With the protection, it will not damage, and it's a very decent protection. What else in the box? Let's open it up. We have this must be a charger. This is a charger. 25 valve. 25 valve charger from 100 to 200 to 25. This is a transformer. Bumblebee. This is Bumblebee transformer. And the charger. This one. Oh, this one is thermal label. So non-sticky. Let's try. Oh, it's pretty good. So this is the label. How many pieces of it? We will count it later. And this must be the charger. Oh, I am guessing this one. Oh no, not here. And this one, another one. Okay, this will be the charger, right? And this goes to the main power supply, goes to here, and this one will be connected to here. Yeah, oh, okay, I got. Makes sense. So this is my household in the corner of the room there is a power socket. Put it here and goes to the power, goes to transformer, and through the transformer from 100 volt power transfer into 25 volt power, and connect it somewhere here. Connected somewhere here. You can see it here. Oh, the lighting stopped it. See? Oh, perfect. Snap. So this is the power supply. And you will connect this one into computer, I guess. This one into your computer USB out. Then we can start to do the printing. Okay. And on and off. This one, it seems, does not have any battery in it. It's just a printing machine. It's always needed to be connected to power. And here is something I can open it up. Ah, yeah. Here I can roll in the paper. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. And in the worst case, you can use this as a toilet paper roller. Oh, I'm sorry. That is a little bit disrespectful, right? Okay, this is the wrong way. We are not animals that putting our paper wrong way. I don't like putting toilet paper, putting any roll of paper wrong way. So you put it in. Oh, yeah, they show me to put it in this way. And then it will start to print. I think the printer must be somewhere here, might be. Anyway, we will do the printing later on. And I put this one back in. Oh, this can adjust. Okay. Oh, even larger. Okay, we put it right the lens so that it goes to the center. I like industrial design. Don't you like it? Sometimes the engineer has, I can put it even one, yeah, two. Okay, now it cannot move. This is just right with a little bit of room to move around, but not too much. Perfect. So now we can close it up. This might be noisy. Oh, closed. Okay, you pull it here, and there is kind of a spring. Okay, no, not closed. Okay, it closed. So I will do a printing then. Oh, that's I can use it in here, or maybe I can design something to put labels, design the size of label and put not only shipping label, my product label, right? As an art teacher, I have watercolor paper, brush, pens, erasers, scissors, rulers, pencil sharpeners, anything. I have so many things. Let's see if we can do something different. Okay, this is the setting up. Yeah, good. Let's get it running. Okay, so I have installed it. it does take some time to install it. But once you are done, and luckily I have a label to print out, I cover up the address. And there is a very detailed explanation which direction of paper you put in. I think it takes me a couple of minutes to set it up, and I have tried several different paper setting, so we get some smaller one. I do not want you to see the address, so this is relatively smaller, and this is relatively a little bit large but still smaller. It depends how you do the paper setting. Now we do a print. Go ahead, print. Good. Print. And I need to do the paper setting. So I set into my paper setting. I already made a name for this particular paper setting, and then I will print it out. Let's do it. Okay, it comes out. You can see. I do not want you to see the address. Let me put a tape on it. Here is the shipping label and the address, everything, the barcode, everything very clear. You can design your computer setting into refined printing, then it comes a good result. And it's very easy. You can peel it off and put into your label. And that is how it works. I think once you get used to it, it's very, very efficient and very, it makes your job very easy. You need to take some time to fix it, to settle it, try a little bit. Once it is all good, it is good. I hope that explains. Thank you very, very much. Bye-bye, friends. Cuckoo, bye-bye.